The first football match. One day, a little boy named Timmy was very excited. It was a special day. Timmy was going to his first football match. He loved football, but he had never been to a match before. Timmy's father, Mr. Harris, was taking him. Timmy could not wait. "Are you ready, Timmy?" Mr. Harris asked. Timmy jumped up and down. "Yes, I am so excited," he said. Timmy was wearing a red Arsenal shirt. His favourite team was Arsenal. He loved watching Arsenal on TV with his father. Today, Timmy would see them play live. They drove to the stadium. The car ride was long, but Timmy didn't mind. He looked out the window and saw big signs for the match. "Look, Dad, the stadium is so big," Timmy shouted. Mr. Harris smiled and said, "Yes, it's one of the biggest stadiums in the world." When they arrived, there were many people around. Fans were wearing different team shirts. Some wore red and some wore blue. Timmy was a little nervous. He had never been in such a big crowd before. "Don't worry, Timmy. We are here to have fun," said Mr. Harris. They walked into the stadium. Timmy looked around in amazement. The field was huge. There were many people in the stands. Timmy could hear the noise from the crowd. It was very loud. He held his father's hand tightly. "Look, Timmy, that's where the players will come out," said Mr. Harris, pointing to the tunnel. Timmy smiled. He couldn't wait to see the players. They walked to their seats. They were close to the field. Timmy could see the green grass and the white lines. The game started. The players ran fast. Timmy cheered loudly. "Go, Arsenal! Go!" he shouted. His father cheered too. The crowd was very excited. Some people clapped and some people sang songs. Timmy sang with them. It was fun. The ball went from one player to another. Timmy watched carefully. Arsenal had the ball. The player kicked it towards the goal. Timmy's heart beat fast. "Is it going to go in?" he thought. The ball was so close. The goalkeeper jumped to stop it. Timmy gasped. "Wow," he said. The goalkeeper stopped the ball. The game continued. Timmy could feel the excitement in the air. The fans were all cheering and shouting. It was like a big party. Timmy was so happy. He never thought a football match could be so fun. After a while, Arsenal scored a goal. Timmy jumped up and screamed, "Yes, Arsenal won!" The fans around him cheered and clapped. Timmy felt so proud. He was part of the crowd. He was part of the excitement. As the match went on, Timmy learned more about football. He learned the rules. He learned how players pass the ball and try to score goals. He also saw how the players work together as a team. "Football is not just about one player," said Mr. Harris. "It's about teamwork." At half-time, everyone took a break. Timmy and his father went to buy some snacks. Timmy had a hot dog and a drink. He was very hungry after all the excitement. While they ate, they talked about the first half of the game. Timmy asked many questions. "Why did the referee blow the whistle?" he asked. "What does offside mean?" Mr. Harris explained the rules to him. Timmy understood a little more now. After the break, the second half of the game started. The crowd was even louder now. Timmy cheered even more. Arsenal was winning, but the other team was trying hard. Timmy could see how strong the players were. They ran fast and kicked hard. The game was very exciting. Finally, the match ended. Arsenal won the game 2-1. Timmy was so happy he couldn't stop smiling. The fans cheered and Timmy cheered with them. "We did it! Arsenal won!" he shouted. Mr. Harris smiled. "Yes, Timmy, Arsenal is the best." As they left the stadium, Timmy couldn't stop talking about the game. "That was the best day ever," he said. "I want to come back again." Mr. Harris laughed. "We will, Timmy. We will come to many more games." Timmy felt proud. He had seen his favourite team win. He had been to his first football match and it was amazing. He couldn't wait to tell his friends at school about it. He would always remember this special day. On the way home, Timmy looked out of the window again. He saw the lights of the city shining. He was tired but happy. He knew he would dream about the match tonight. It was a perfect day. Thanks for listening to our podcast.